So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the fake Korblox leg here in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's no free Korblox leg, but you can make a similar look using bundles and clothing. So essentially, go ahead and make your way over to Avatar, just like so, and stay in the marketplace. And what you need to do is search up in the top right for pirate and look specifically for the pirate swashbuckler bundle. You could just search for pirate swashbuckler. It's going to pop up with a page that looks like this, and find the bundle on here, because on this section you're going to have that leg just like so. From here, go ahead and purchase this, and once you get it, go ahead and make your way over to customize in this section, just like so. Once you're in customize, you need to go to head and body, and once you're in this section, find the little body tab, and once you're on the body parts, go ahead and find the leg options and just go through and put it on whatever one that you want it on. After that, go ahead and make your way into accessories, just like so, and then go into these and just put on darker colors like blue or cyan to match the Korblox style. Once everything is equipped, your avatar will have the fake Korblox leg look. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.